All right, let's talk about Saharan dust. It's on the intake, and it's going to affect our Wednesday and Thursday. Outside tonight, we're at 410 and Military. It's a cloudy night this final Tuesday night of July. 2 down, 3 to go until the weekend. 85, 94 is what it feels like. Look at that dew point, 76. That is some tropical air. Southeast wind near 20. And I want to stay there. Let's talk about these winds, because with these kind of wind speeds Wednesday, Thursday, the impact of that Saharan dust won't be as severe. Air quality won't go as bad. I mean, it could go poor, but it shouldn't go extensive, because if the air is moving, we're in much better shape. And we have a high pressure dome intact. And with that dominating weather pattern and that sinking air motion in the atmosphere, a lot of times when we go light on winds, we get an ozone action day out of that. And if you add dust to it, we would have really had some poor air quality tomorrow. So we can be grateful for these wind speeds over the next couple of days, because look at this Saharan dust. I mean, it's going to cover from San Antonio up through Dallas and a good portion of East Texas tomorrow afternoon. And then watch this through Thursday afternoon. It thins out a little bit here, but it's still pretty thick off to our east at 1 o'clock on Thursday. Then it thins out Thursday night heading into Friday. So that's why we now have Wednesday and Thursday as weather impact alert days, mainly between 10 and 6 p.m. It's really the heat of the day that you could really have that labored breathing if you have COPD, asthma. So you want to limit your time outdoors, not to mention that on both of these afternoons, the heat index should be climbing upwards of about 104, maybe even 105 as highs climb into the upper 90s. Radar is going to be on vacation. Pretty quiet. Not a drop out there. We still have a ton of river flood warnings for southeast Texas. Today's numbers, 94, and we should be hitting 97. So we're getting closer. And in fact, we're going to be closing in on those averages and then some in the coming days. I think we'll go above average, especially heading into the weekend. Want to show you 4¼ inches, almost twice as much as we normally get in July. And look what it's doing to area lakes. Now, Canyon up about 2 feet. And percentage-wise, from 55 to 57% full. The real story is Medina Lake. It's gone from 2.2% full to 3.6, up 6 feet in about a week. And that's the largest and biggest increase in about 5 years from Medina Lake. All right, 14-day forecast starts with 2 weather impact alert days. Wednesday, Thursday, it's the haze that'll be around. And then we should see it lift to a mostly sunny Friday, Saturday with highs closer to 100. Same on Sunday, where we bring in a chance of getting an isolated shower. The high is expected to slip a little west, maybe a sea breeze shower. Heading into that first full week of August, you see the pattern mid to upper 90s with mostly sunny skies. If you haven't already, it's time to wash the car.